When the summer heat kicks in, nothing beats the icy refreshment of a slushie to cool you down and lift your spirits. In this video, we'll be diving into 8 of the best home slushie machines to help you beat the heat and enjoy your favorite frozen drinks anytime you want. Let's kick things off with the Ninja SLUSHi Professional Frozen Drink Maker. Prepare your favorite slushie mix, juice, milk, sweetener, or even a splash of something extra. Whisk it all together in a bowl until smooth. Pour the mix into the easy fill port on top of the unit. The channel filters out solids for a smooth process. Select your desired preset, whether you want a classic or spiked slushie, Ninja has you covered. Adjust the temperature for your perfect texture. Rapid chill technology freezes your drink quickly and efficiently. Once ready, the machine will beep and keep your slushie perfectly chilled for up to 12 hours. Time to serve. Place a glass under the handle, pull gently, and pour yourself the ultimate frozen treat. Meet the INOVIVA Slushie Machine, a game-changer for your frozen drink cravings. Say goodbye to ice cubes, just pour in your liquid, with 5% plus sugar content, choose one of 5 presets, slushie, frap, milkshake, cocktail, or wine, and let the machine do the rest. Its 360-degree rotating cooling cylinder ensures smooth, evenly frozen drinks every time. This powerhouse delivers slushies in as little as 15 minutes, thanks to rapid freeze technology. And cleanup? A breeze, with a self-cleaning mode and removable parts. It's designed for convenience, featuring a child lock, a comfortable handle, and a drip tray to keep things tidy. Plus, custom controls let you adjust the thickness to suit your taste. Perfect for family fun, the INOVIVA Slushie Machine makes every drink an experience. Cheers to effortless frozen treats. Next up is the Cyber Chill Slushie Machine, the ultimate party starter. Forget the hassle of ice cubes and noisy blenders, just pour in your mix, select one of 5 presets slushie, frap, milkshake, wine, or spiked slushie and let the magic happen. Its 360 degrees rotating cooling cylinder ensures perfectly smooth, evenly frozen drinks, whisper quiet and hassle-free. Hosting a crowd? With its 68-ounce capacity, you can serve up to 5 9-ounce drinks in just 30 minutes. Plus, it's designed for family fun with a child lock, custom control settings, and an optional 24-hour delay start, so your slushies are ready exactly when you want them. Cleanup is easy with the self-cleaning mode and dishwasher-safe parts, cold wash only. And don't forget the removable drip tray for a tidy experience. Whether it's a casual hangout or a big celebration, the Cyber Chill Slushie Machine delivers delicious frozen drinks every time. Let's dive into making the perfect slushie with the Mr. SLUSHi Home Use Slushie Machine, a fun and refreshing treat for the whole family. Start by preparing your ingredients. Choose your favorite soda, juice, or flavored drink. Next, add ice and salt to the metal canister. Don't worry, these stay separate from your drink. It's just the magic behind the freezing process. In just 15 minutes, you'll have a perfectly icy, smooth slushie. The 34 ounces capacity means there's plenty to share, making this the perfect addition to summer barbecues or family movie nights. Mr. SLUSHi makes homemade slushies easy, fun, and oh so delicious. Who's ready for some yummy fun? With the ICEE Slushie Maker, you can enjoy those iconic icy frozen drinks right at home. Getting started is easy. First, pre-chill the inner canister and mix your icy syrup, sold separately, with water. Once everything is nice and cold, pour it into the machine and let the magic happen. In just minutes, you'll have a quart of frosty goodness, perfect for 4 8-ounces servings. This countertop-sized slushie spinner is compact and fun, bringing the carnival vibe straight to your kitchen. Remember, you can whip up a fresh batch every 45 minutes for round 2 or 3. Meet the Party Ice Slushie Machine, a slushie maker that's as fun as it is easy to use. Here's the deal. Plug it in, pour your favorite sugary drink into the syrup inlet, load up the ice and salt in the ice inlet, and let the machine do its thing. In just 15 to 20 minutes, you'll have up to 1 quart of perfectly chilled slushy goodness. Love keeping things healthy? Use organic juices or all-natural syrups for a slushie that's just right for your family. Plus, this machine comes with 10 cardboard cups, 10 spoon straws, and even a recipe guide to kickstart your frozen drink adventures. Perfect for family fun, gatherings, or just a refreshing treat on a sunny day. Meet the ICEE Slushie Machine, your ticket to instant frozen fun. It's super simple. Place the canister in freezer for 1 hour. Now let's make the syrup mix. Add water with syrup and let it chill. Add ice and salt to the freezing canister. Slowly pour in the syrup. And let the magic happen. In minutes, you'll have 1 quart of icy goodness, enough for 4 8-ounces servings. Switch to dispense. Perfect for sharing or keeping all to yourself. Meet the Margarita Girl Single Bowl Mini Slushie Drink Machine. This sleek, stainless steel beauty transforms your favorite beverages into delicious frozen margaritas, daiquiris, piña coladas, and more. With a high-capacity 1.6-gallon bowl, it churns out up to 25 cups of slushy goodness. And there you have it, the best home slushie machines to keep your drinks icy, refreshing, and oh so delicious. If you're a fan of all things ice, don't miss my video on the best countertop ice makers. They're the ultimate sidekick to your slushie machine, keeping your drinks chilled and your summer vibes alive. Check this video out.